Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison.network. So I just shop this thing and also just came to my house. So it's called uh, foldable laundry basket. All right, so you want to see some videos? Collapsible. Yeah, just like that. So the video shows it all. We just do the unboxing and see how the materials like. Okay, so no music because of the copyright things. I had the old one without the collapsible, and also without the string. So that's why I bought a new one, and I found it's very good. So it's 899. Okay, the description. Okay, that's it. So let's unboxing and see the details of the fabric and also whatever. So settings. Two. The material so like, and then to open, just pop. So it's not that. Done. And then we can close it. Inside it's like this. Material. So light also, but of course because it's easy for drying, so it's actually a good product. I already use it, so that's why I suggest to you. So yeah, that's the product. So if you interested with the product, I just I'm gonna share the link below the video. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.